Hello, good evening, people. How are you today? I trust you're doing well. I hope your day has gone well today. Yeah. Thank you very much for joining. If you're watching the replay, you are welcome. And if you're here live with me, you. So I'm going to get started. Today is another one of our live streams where we will be answering your questions. So I'm going to get started with the questions in my. Before I go on to that, I just wanted to show us something. Maybe I should just answer a few questions. When we have more people here, I'll be able to show us some things that we spoke about. As you can see, this is Lister USDT. It's one of those newly listed coins. Yes, and we try to check it out. So I'm going to show you something that happened from our predictions yesterday. So, but for now, let's go and answer a few questions. I must let you know that tomorrow we'll be having a members only live stream, right? A members only live stream. And what that is going to give us is an opportunity to be able to get access to my number one triangular arbitrage tool that helps us to spot arbitrage signals. Members only live stream. All you just have to do is just go to the join button and you'll be able to join it. So you just become a member. When you go to if you go to the homepage, if you click on our name join button there, just click on the join button and you can become a member. It's a very tiny amount. It's just a little commitment to show that you are ready to engage on your trading journey. Okay, so let me go and take some questions right from my. I'm going to take some questions. Let me take some people had asked. So I'm actually going to start taking that. There are a couple of questions here, but I'm going to focus on these ones that just came in yesterday. Someone was asking about P2P arbitrage, right? He says, how about P2P arbitrage? Please do a video. I actually have a video on that. And then in the video, I talked about P2P arbitrage as one of the and right now, if you're a Nigerian living in Nigeria, you will not be able to do P2P transfers or P2P transactions with the Nigerian P2P. That is not, that was banned this year. Early this year, Binance banned Nigerian P2P. Or is it the Nigerian government banned Binance from doing that? One of those things, whichever way you call it, it's banned, right? It's banned in Nigeria here. But P2P transactions, P2P arbitrage is still going on in other countries. I'm going to show you my screen now. Let me just go show you my screen so that at least you can see that. And then you will see what I'm talking about. If you go to the P2P, what is this? What am I showing? If you go to the P2P, you will see here, go to the see that for Nigeria, you only see for USD. It says, okay, so this is the USD. Can you see that? Look at this. It's only USD that we have. You can change that to any other currency, but not NGN. If I click on NGN, you will see that it actually just blanks out. Nothing is here. But when you come back and you try to put in the USD, you see that it gets back to normal. Yeah, so I'm just going to, let me just remember that and click on OK. Let's go to sell, buy. What's going on here? Oh, sorry, I'm not trying to filter. Let me go out of it and come back in since I went to go and I don't know what I'm doing. I'm not filtering, but filter by region? No, I'm not filtering. What's going? Oh no, not Express. Sorry, P2P. I was wondering where it took me to. So I was in the Express lane, but currently I want to be on P2P. So you can see that USD P2P is working. Other countries P2P is working. So it's just for you to know other countries that you would like to work with, and then you can get your P2P done. Okay, but Nigerian P2P is not working. Thank you very much, guys, for joining. God bless you. Please drop your questions. Say hello in the chat. Give us a like the live stream, right? Subscribe to the channel. All of those good stuff will be very, very nice if you can do that. But more importantly, if you have questions that you would like me to answer, please drop them in the comments. So since I have a few more people, before I go to start continuing answering the questions, I wanted to show you something about Lister. Remember that yesterday we were trying to check out Lista for spot trading. Someone asked a question about Lista spot trading, and I said it's good to take a screenshot so that we'll see whether our predictions came to pass. Remember, we talked about the three most important things which we take note of before we take a spot trading trade. If you can remember it, just type it in the comments. If you can remember the three things, type it in the comments, right? Let me know what the first one is, the second one, and the third one. Now, just in case you're still trying to rack your brain, the first one, right, is all about ensuring that let me show you here. The first one is to ensure that your parabolic star, which is the tiny yellow dots, is under the candle. Remember that we typed that here. And then secondly, our RSI should be more than what? 65. That means it should be between 65 and 79. If you remember that, say yes. Then the third one is that the candle needs to be what? A pumping candle. Now, let me show you my screenshot. I took a screenshot of this yesterday. Hope I can find. Yes, this is the screenshot. Now, if you remember, I think this is the screenshot I took yesterday, right? If you remember that I took a screenshot of where it was. This was yesterday, and it wasn't exactly a pumping candle. It was pumping slightly, but it was still having a wick on top. But it was looking close to what can be used. So we said, okay, we might be able to manage it. So see what has happened now. Can you see where it? At the time we left it, it had 0.7873, right? So now let's go check what happened to it. 0.7873. Am I right about that? 7873. Okay, so 78 cents. That was the point where it was at when we left it. So let's go and check what actually happened in real life. Let's see what happened in real life, because that was just a prediction. But now see what happened, right? Can you see that it ran all the way to 83 cents? Can you see that? It went up. So imagine you actually placed a trade with a conservative sell limits. You would have gotten this trade executed. But the only reason why it looks like as if it didn't go too far was because the candle itself was not exactly very pumping. So it was likely that it will start going down any moment from then. So that was why after it touched on 0.83, it now started going down. It struggled along the line to go up and up, but it started going down. So that's just to show you that we know what we are saying here, right? We actually know what we're saying here. These three things I tell you about, it's very important you follow it. Reason being that you don't want to make a mistake when you are choosing coins. Look at this now. After it rose up, can you see? After it rose up, at the time we left it, it was like around 72 or thereabout. By the time we got to this 83, it was already at around 80, and it started coming down. That's how it is. That's trading for you. It will go up as a while, it will come down. But at that point where it's going up, you want to be able to catch your trade shortly before it gets to the point where it wants to start crumbling down, so that it can quickly get executed. That's exactly what happened here. I hope you can see that what we're saying makes sense, right? I hope you can see that. But first of all, let's go back into my questions. Let me see. Do you have any questions that you would like me to? Okay, I can see. I can see some questions here. Let me go into this is where I'm supposed to go to. Let's go into the comments. Okay, so this one says, how about it? We have to answer that one. Then someone asked a question here. Oh, someone says here, sorry, please. Someone says here, bunk prediction. I'm in 60% loss. Wow. Okay, I will go check bunk. I'll check bunk for you. Is it bunk USDT? Let me know in the comments. Is it bunk USDT? You can drop a yes and let me know. So somebody asked here that is triangular arbitrage a profitable? Is triangular arbitrage profitable or inter-exchange? They're both profitable. Once you get a signal for any of them, they're both profitable. Your own work is to ensure that you check the profitability level. Once you get a signal, the signal is actually as good as money, but you have to confirm that is very, very doable. You must go check it, right? So I'm still waiting for what's the name of this person? Sudipta. Yeah. He says that I want to know, is it you? I want to just assume it's Bonk USDT. So let me just assume it's Bonk USDT. Let's go and check. Let's go and check our chart. Let's put in Bonk. Let's go and put in Bonk and see. Let's put in Bonk. Bonk. Okay. So I want to check what is going on with Bonk now. Mm, all the disclaimers. What's all this? So let's check Bonk. Let's see what's going on in Bonk's life. Okay. Well, look at this. Bonk is already on its way down. Once you see the parabolic SAR already on top, it's going down. So my prediction for Bonk is that it will have to go down. It will definitely go down a bit lower than before it now gets back up. So you can see that the parabolic SARs are already on top, and it's contrasting what we said, that the parabolic SARs has to be under. If at this stage the parabolic SARs was still under, then I would say that don't worry, you will recover your money. But for now, you're going to have to wait a longer while. That's what's going to happen. You have to wait a longer while, and you just have to be patient, because this doesn't look like it's going to come back up until probably another 1 or 2 days, maybe when there's a switch right in the market. So you have to realize that. So I hope I was able to help you. Now that you're a 60% loss, I don't know what you're going to do. You are the one that will determine how you want to go about it. If you feel you don't want to waste time, you can go ahead and liquidate it and go and get out of the trade. But if not, if you feel that, oh, it's still going to come back, I think you should leave it. Okay? I think you should leave it. So that's what I would say about that. Let's keep on going. So we don't have any other questions. So I'll just take a few more questions. But remember, tomorrow we're going to be having a members only live stream. Oh my God. And the only way to be part of that, where I'll be unveiling to you my number one tool for spotting triangular arbitrage signals, is you need to join the membership. That's just the only thing. You just need to join the membership. So all you just have to do is just go to the homepage, go to where we have our name, our homepage, click on the join button. That's all you just have to do. Click on the join button, and then you join the membership. Where you join the membership, then on tomorrow, when you join the membership today, by tomorrow, even when you join it right now, you go to the members area, you would see even the link, for our live stream has already been set up. So that's just one I would have to say. Let's keep on going. I'm going to answer a few more questions and I'll call it a day. I don't want to waste too much of your time today. If you don't have any questions for me, that means I don't have questions to answer. All right. So for this question, is triangular arbitrage profitable? They are both profitable. Just make sure you have a good signal. That's all. And we give you signal platforms that you can use to get this trade signals. Okay. So let me just keep on going. This was a question we just answered. Yep, it's question. Someone says, new subscriber, I really love your videos. You are so plain, and I would love to join your mentorship. Ooh, thank you very much, Stephen King, for saying that. So someone says the link is not working. I hope I was able to resolve this problem for the person. Okay, I think we've taken all these ones. Let me just go a little further downwards to see if there's any other question that anybody will learn from. Okay, let's take this one. Someone says, I was doing it, that is doing triangular arbitrage with 3 USDT just to try it out, different coins and different pairs. And I was trading by Binance Convert to escape the fees, but it kept on declining. Why is that? $3 is too small. It will not go through. The lowest price, the lowest amount to trade within Binance is $10. So please, you need to have a minimum of $10 to do your trading on Binance. Okay, that's what I would say. Then for converts, it really depends on some particular coins. Some coins allow less than $10. Some allow more. Some stick with $10. Some allow more than $10. Okay, or less than $10. I mean. So that's just what I would say about that. Okay, someone here, this was a very funny one, although I've answered the person. Someone says, thanks, man. Learn to minimize the length of your videos, please. This is too long. This was a compilation. I think I explained that it's a compilation. So for compilations, they will be long. You just need to watch 1 or 2, right? So you can just go to the places of your interests. Yeah. Okay. I don't understand this question. I don't understand. Okay, yeah. Someone was trying to make a point with this GMT, maybe for the scam issues that happen, right? So someone asked, I don't have Telegram accounts. I don't use Telegram accounts. Okay, so I just wanted to be very sure that there are no questions. At this point, I am going to ask, if you have any questions, please drop your questions inside of the chat. Right. So I don't have any particular questions here. Let me go back um into my Binance. Guys, if you have any questions, go ahead and drop them, right? If there's anything, while I'm waiting for your questions, I'm just going to do a quick recap about what I spoke about yesterday. Right now, we can see that Bonk is kind of crashing down in a way, although it looks like it's going up, but because of the parabolic star, I will not take this trade because it's already pushing it, and the you can see that it's actually in a downward trajectory at this point. So I want to look for, let's go to gainers. Let's go to gainers. Okay, let's go to gainers. We should be able to find some new ones there. Okay, Beta is still here. Beta was there yesterday as one of the new listings, and it is still here. Now, can you see what is going on? Remember when I told you that this is going down? Can you see that it's actually really, really going down? And I told you that you shouldn't take that trade. So you can see that Beta is going down right now. EFX might look like, oh, it's like something is going on. When you see a lot of reds happening, let's go check what's going on with Bitcoin. Okay, you can check favorites, you can check hots. Let's see what's going on with Bitcoin. Bitcoin had initially crashed. I mean, Bitcoin has really been I don't know what to call it. They're just annoying. Oh my god, Bitcoin has been annoying. I'm telling you. Oh my god, it has been annoying. So Bitcoin is going down. That explains why we're having more coins going down. That's why. Anytime you see that there's a trend and most coins are following the same trend, you will notice that Bitcoin is really, really going on. But nothing nonetheless, we will should be able to find one that we might be able to. Okay, look at Boom. Look at Boom. It's looking no, it's not looking bad, but the only problem I have with this is that this is already 78. As you can see here, it's 78. The parabolic size is good, but the last candle is a red candle. So it's already gotten to its, probably close to its final point. Okay, finally, a question comes in. Let me see this question and answer it. Osama QX says, I think you're good on teaching people. Can you improve more on video quality or do can you improve more on video quality or do on faceless video? Oh, sorry, I would always do faceless videos in this channel. Maybe later on I could decide to do one, but I don't think so. But for now, I would always keep to doing faceless videos. If you're talking about the quality of the video, it's from your side. You can go and change the quality. I upload the videos in the highest quality, right? So for you, if you want to increase the quality, you go to your channel settings and change to higher quality. It's not from my side. Do you understand that, Osama QX? You need to change the quality from your side, change the resolution. I upload my videos in the highest quality as much as possible. Do you understand that? It's your side. You are seeing it's blurry. It's not from my side. It's your side because it's very clean and clear. Even with the other what's it called now? The other device I'm using, it's clear. So I don't know why you're not seeing it well. So it's from your side. Go to your settings and change your settings. Okay. Thank you very much for even saying that I'm good in teaching people. Thank you so much. I appreciate that awesome feedback. Guys, you're welcome here. Thank you so much for joining. Please give this video a like. Give this video a like. I'm not seeing the lives. I'm not seeing the likes. I'm not seeing the likes. I'm not seeing the likes. I'm only seeing one like. Come on, guys. Click on the three dots on the top right corner. Yes. And then when you click on it, it will bring the like button down. Just click on the like. That's all you just have to do. I'm not asking you for money. Well, I'm asking you to join the membership. Yeah, but it's for next to nothing. Okay. Because I want to be able to give my members a great time tomorrow. We're going to be having our members only, our first ever members only live stream tomorrow. Oh my God, that's going to be awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay. So if you want to be part of that live stream, you know what to do. Go ahead and click on the join button. Yeah. Subscribe to the channel. It'll be nice. Like the video. Very, very important. And then for you to join the membership, all you just have to do is click on the join button. Go to the homepage. You will see join besides subscribe. So click on the join and then you'll be part of the membership and you'll be part of the class tomorrow. Okay. So I wanted to take a recap on the things you should take note of before I close this live stream tonight. I'm not seeing too many questions, so I'm not going to waste too much time. If I see questions, I'll take them. So, if the first thing you have to consider when you're trying to pick a spot trading trade, first thing is that the parabolic star has to be underneath the candle. Remember that, okay? That's the parabolic stars. These dots are parabolic stars. Always remember that it must always be under the candle. Secondly, that the RSI must never be below 65. Now, this is 76. It's quite getting high. It should be between 65 and 79 maximum, right? But it shouldn't be low. It shouldn't be below. Sorry, you asked. Are you asking a question? You're putting a question mark, Osama X? I've answered your question that I am not going to do faceless. I'm not going to do on faceless video. I'm not going to show my face. I am already, if you want to see my face, come into my DM. My picture is there. All right? You can see my face there. And if you save my name, if you save my number, you'll see my name. So I don't hide any of that. But on this channel, it's all about trading. Okay, Osama QX says, what do you think about mdex.com? Is it anytime? Look, let me tell you, if you want to check out any platform whatsoever, make sure you use trustpilot.com. Trustpilot.com. It is a place where you can get reviews of people that have used different things, okay? And they will tell you whether it is legit or not. So it's not about me checking for you. Go and check yourself and see all the reviews. If you have this mdex.com, put it inside of Trustpilot. Click on, just type in trustpilot.com and go there. You will see the reviews. If it's good, they will tell you. If it's not good, they will tell you. People that have been scammed, they'll come and say that they have been scammed. People that have used it and say it's good, they will say it is good. So I wouldn't go and check that. I don't know whether it's legit. Go and check it out yourself. So we start with the parabolic stars, then we look at the RSI. RSI must be minimum of 65 to between 79, maybe maximum 78, 79. And then the last candle has to be a full candle. Can you see that the last candle here is a red candle? Woo-hoo! Wow, thank you so much. We can see Macarend. Wow, awesome. Macarand Pandey has joined the membership. Woo, woo, woo. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you for becoming a member. Guys, can you see that Macarand is now a member? Go ahead and do the same, guys. Tomorrow is going to be lit. We are going to have an awesome time tomorrow by 7 p.m. Nigerian time. That's GMT +1. Okay. So, and even if you can't catch the physical, or how to put it, if you can't be there during the live stream, the recording will be there for you to catch the replay. Okay. So thank you very much, Macaron, for joining. I appreciate you for joining our membership. Thank you. God bless you. You're welcome. And there's a gift for you in our members area. Right? We have a gift. For you. Yes. Go and check it out in the members area. You will see the gift, your welcome gift. God bless you for joining. So now, as I was saying, okay, Ravi Khan says maybe good to buy at lower level. Sorry, can you say that again? Which one do you think should be good to buy at lower level? That we should use losers. I don't use losers. I've tried it before. It doesn't work for me. I don't use losers. I won't even use losers anymore. People will say, yes, if you buy it at a lower price, that it will work. No, what is that? But that is all probability. Okay. Someone says, just check. What are you checking? I don't know what you're checking, but anyway, you can keep on checking. Right? So if you're buying a coin at a very low price and thinking it will rise up, I'm telling you, you're just wasting your time. It may not happen that way. Okay? So the third thing you must always take note of is that the last candle must be a full candle. It must never be a red candle. It must be a green candle pumping. Okay, it says here, can you please describe that indicators to me? Okay, thank you very much for that question. I'll take my points all over again. So I guess you went around where I took that. I used two main indicators. Two indicators. The first one is called the parabolic SAR. If you look at the bottom here, can you see? You will see SAR. That is one, and it's a three dots. It's a tiny yellow dots. It can be any color, but it just those dots. Those dots represent momentum. It's pushing the price higher, right? It's pushing the price higher, and you can see that it's been going up. You can see that bomb has been going up, right? So it's pushing. That is what we use to determine that the momentum of price. We use the SAR to determine the momentum of price. So when you want to take a trade, remember that your parabolic stars must be under. It must be under the candles. Don't forget that. Don't forget that. That is number one. Number two is that the RSI must be above 70, must be above 65. Oh, stands ground. This is longest time, ma'am. Really missed your live videos. Oh my God. Thank you so much. I took a break from doing live streams. You know, sometimes you just take a break. So I took a break from doing live streams. I just decided to do a couple, because I'm going to be having a members only live stream tomorrow. I just wanted to let you guys know. So if you want to be part of it, you can join the membership. Just go to our main page. We have quite a number of members joining us since yesterday to today. So you can go to the home page and then click on the join, and then you'll be part of our members only live stream tomorrow, where I'll be unveiling to you my number one tool for choosing and spotting triangular arbitrage signals. Okay, so it's a tutorial, so you'll be learning together. All right, so let's keep going. So we are saying that RSI should not be less than 65. RSI 14 must be above 65, must be 65 and above. Minimum should be 65. You're very, very correct. RSI must be 65 and above, but it should not go beyond 80. Yes. And then the parabolic SAR, right, should be under the candle. Parabolic SAR, that's those yellow dots, should be under the candle. Then the final point is that the last candle must be full. It must be a full candle. It must be pumping. Look at it now. This last candle is not pumping. It's a red candle. I will not take this trade. It cannot work. This trade will not work for me. Why? Because it is a red candle. It must be a green candle, and it must not just be a green candle. It must be a full green candle, strong, full, pumping, level. It must not have any wick on top of it, all the sticks. It must not have any of it. So right now, I can see that two parameters are being met, but the final parameter is not met. So I would not pick this trade. You must always ensure that those three things, they work together. Very, very importantly, they must work together. So thank you guys for watching. Let me see. And that three dots, not three dots, so it should be more than three. And that dot must be in SAR indicator, correct? Yes. Or is it very for different dots? No. It should not be three dots. I'm just saying that the yellow dots, yellow. It can be more. Look at it. These ones are more than three. It should be high. It should just be under. The parabolic SAR should be under. Those dots are the SAR. The dots are the SAR. Remember, those yellow dots are SAR. They just must be under. Once they are under, you are okay. Right now, the dots are under. It can be 3, it can be 4, it can be 5, it can be 10, it can be as many, but it must be under the candle. It must not be on top. Let me show you an example of what I'm saying. Let's look at an example. So another example, let me show you better. Can you see that the parabolic SAR is on top? Don't take this kind of trade. Don't take this kind of trade, okay? Once you see the parabolic SARs on top of the trade, don't take it. It will push the price down, and then you will not be able to make money with it. So it says, and you are following this strategy for 1 hour time frame. Yes, I use 1 hour time frame. So if you use this particular strategy, right, you will get more wins than losses. That's what I would say. Thank you. Okay, yes, Ravi Kant has gotten it. That's it. So I just wanted to understand what exactly is going on. So since you've gotten it, if there are no other questions, we will be closing the live stream now. Yes. I just want to know if you have gotten what we're saying. If you have any questions, again, let me know. And if not, we'll be calling it a night. Okay. And don't forget, guys, go ahead to the homepage. Just click on our homepage. Go and click on the join button and join us inside of the membership. Yes, where we're going to be having our members only training tomorrow. All right. Someone says here, got your strategy, learned something new today. Thank you so much for learning something new, Ravikant. I'm glad you did. I hope you've subscribed to the channel. Everyone that's here, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel and, of course, like this live stream. Thank you once again for watching, and I hope to see you all inside of the membership where we'll be having our class tomorrow. Don't forget, go to the homepage now. Do it now. Do it now. Go to the homepage and click on the join button. Thank you once again for watching, and I'll see you inside of the membership. Oh, thank you, Ravikant, for subscribing. God bless you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'm seeing some things here. I'm already saying thank you, and then there are questions coming in. So let me wait. Someone says here, what do you think about moving average of? Oh, sorry, I don't really use moving averages. Sorry, I don't use it because at times it's quite overrated. Yeah, I don't use moving averages. I use what gives me momentum for the price. I don't want to use moving averages or EMA. They don't give me what I'm looking for. I know that they are trying. I mean, when you use it in conjunction with other indicators, but you see, I'm working with price. What gives me momentum? What gives it strength? Relative strength index, the strength of price. I want to work with that. The SAR, which is the stop and reverse, right? I want to work with that because those are the ones that are giving me the momentum. So that's why I work with those two. Ma'am, do you think taking trades now is okay because BTC is not looking good at all? I understand what you're saying. If you're not sure, there are two. If you see BTC dumping, two things you should do: stay out of the market. If you don't have the lever for it, stay out of the market. Let it come back. I mean, the market will bleed for some time and then it will come back, right? Number two, you can have a heart. You can decide to go for gainers. Gainers, you will always find some trades there. They may be few and far between, but you will find a few trades there. But if you are not given for stress, just stay out of the market till the market gets back to green. Ravigan says, I'm from India. Nice to meet you. Much love from Nigeria, too. I'm from Nigeria. Thank you so much, guys. I've got to go, guys. So I hope I'm going to see you all inside the membership tomorrow. Thank you so much. God bless you. Don't forget, go to the homepage, click on join, and then you'll be part of our members only live stream tomorrow, 7 p.m. Nigerian time. Thank you. God bless you, and I'll see you again. Bye.